So yeah, design systems designers and product designers spend a lot of time doing the repetitive work, and then it's like maintenance work, repetitive work, instead of focusing on the problem solving and things. And then there's a lot of resources on how you can connect like Figma to like vibe coding and things, but very less resources how you can control Figma through the agent. So I've kind of like did that setup, and I've seen a lot of the thought leaders sharing the setup as well. So give it a try. I gave it a try, and so let me show you the quick demo how it works. So instead of you creating, let's say manually have to create all this color palettes and stuff, it takes lots of time. I personally done it while working, but now you can leverage agents to kind of do that for you. And so let me delete this, and let's say I'll say create a color palette for me. Okay, so here you can see I did do some correction to it in between, and then but then it fixed it, and now it starts creating this color palette. So it's completely creating that palette for you, and then it also applies color tokens and the auto layout and everything, which is like insanely good. I used to spend so much time and hours doing this. This will probably reduce workload while creating design system by 50%. And it's so good. So it's creating this for me, all the things, text, surface, semantic neutrals, primary, secondary, and everything. And then you can like vibe design from here. And if you want, you can also create like variables. So now we don't have the color variable, so I can tell based on the color palette, now create the color palette variables. So this would take me hours to kind of create all the primary, secondary, and things like that. And I've done this repeatedly in the past, but now agent can do like what, like not even like 5 minutes. That's insanely good. So here you go, all the variables are here, and when you like design something in Figma, and now you can go and just pick variables from here and apply. That's insane. It can even apply variables for you. We do cool stuff like this in our cohort. There's a cohort I do, and if you are interested, send me a DM. And but this workflow is drastically gonna change how we kind of do our design work, and automate some of the repetitive work, especially with like design system. There's so many challenges there. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments.